A lot of people ask me, how do you buy a house with no money and no job? Great question. Great question. Well, the answer is more important, because if you give yourself an answer, it's never going to happen, it's not going to happen. See, the human mind can figure out the answer to any question. It's just a matter of what question you ask it. So if you ask yourself, how do I buy a home with no money or no job? And you look for a resourceful answer and you have the willingness to find out, you will figure it out. And I will tell you, it could be done, believe it or not. Now, I would say the first thing that I would recommend, if you're just getting started in real estate, you're going to learn something. It's about location, location, location. Ideally, you want to buy a real estate property that's in the best location in the world. But you know what? A lot of the best opportunities aren't in the best location. What gives you the best opportunities is truly presentation, presentation, presentation. How do you present yourself? Do you take 5 extra minutes in the morning to dress up your act? It may be 5 times more inconvenience, but it may also give you 5 times the impact when you meet somebody. And that's the whole key. What kind of impact are you giving on people? Would you be able to attract a partner? There's a lot of people that need real estate, and if you don't have the money or a job, but you have equity relationship value, you can bring value to the table with a partner, and you can buy real estate with a partner. You may even find a partner that wants to give you money to buy real estate that you live in and manage that property for them. Could you imagine creating a situation where you could buy a property with no money and no job and actually be happy about it and help someone else so that they're winning also in that same situation? They had an opportunity to invest in that house and they have a responsible party like you taking care of it. That is a real estate investor's dream. All it comes down for you is to be able to get your head screwed on straight and ask yourself the right question, because like I said, the human mind can answer any single question. If you ask yourself, why me? You're going to answer a question that has a negative answer. If you have a negative question, you can answer it with a positive answer. And even though you say, well, how am I going to get the resources? I'm going to go meet somebody that has the resources because I don't. That goes back to us talking about the sources that are out there. It's a question of whether you have the resourcefulness to go find those sources. That's what it comes down to right now. So if you're watching this video and you don't have money and you don't have a job, these are the things that you have to start thinking about. How do you present yourself? How do you write? Put together one paragraph on the vision that you want to create that I just spoke to you about. Living in a home, maintaining that home, making it look beautiful, keeping that investor's investment and appreciation moving upward. You having a place to live, you being able to accomplish your goal. That's a win-win situation for everybody, and you can do that today. Now, the first thing you have to do is, it just doesn't happen overnight. You could start to educate yourself about becoming a real estate agent. You can learn about real estate wholesaling. You can learn about real estate fixing and flipping. There's so many things you can learn about. You can learn about commercial real estate. You can learn about land development. It all starts with educating yourself in what you're doing today. I want to acknowledge you today that you've actually taken this step to start learning today. And I want to tell you something about effortless prosperity. Proximity is power. Surround yourself with people that are better than you. You will turn into the 5 people you surround yourself. And as far as educating yourself, check out kenvanliew.com. We have the full gamut of real estate training, starting with fixing and flipping, wholesaling, commercial real estate, land development, skyscrapers, whatever you want, right here at kenvanliew.com. Come on board and make it a great day.